I don't have a ladder. I gotta get up there. Get these bolts in. Not the climb. Let's get it. Oh, my feet. Oh my God. So uncomfortable. Just hanging around today. Building fences. Actually repairing fences. This thing fell down in a storm. Look over there. There's the tent in the tree. Wow.